my loves, welcome back to my channel. Lynette here, and today we're going to be talking about what I consider the biggest 10 cancer causing foods. And the reason why I chose this topic today is because cancer is on an all-time high, and I wanted people who are trying to change their lifestyles just to kind of be aware. And I think we're all starting to be more health conscious because of the cases of cancer rising, and people are dying all around us. People are getting sick, and we need to know why, and we need to be made aware basically of the foods that are causing disease process in our bodies. And so with that, we're going to jump right into the video and get started. According to breastcancercharities.org, genetically modified organisms have no legitimate place in any cancer-free diet, especially now that both GMOs and the chemicals used to grow them have been shown to cause rapid tumor growth. But GMOs are everywhere, including in most food derivatives made from conventional corn, soybeans, and canola. However, you can avoid them by sticking with certified organic, certified non-GMO, verified, and locally grown foods that are produced naturally without biotechnology. Most processed meat products, including lunch meats, bacon, sausage, and hot dogs, contain chemical preservatives that make them appear fresh and appealing. But that can also cause cancer. Both sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate have been linked to significantly increasing the risk of colon and other forms of cancer. So be sure to choose only uncured meat products made without nitrates, and preferably from grass-fed sources. Microwave popcorn might be convenient, but those bags are lined with chemicals that are linked to causing not only infertility, but also liver, testicular, and pancreatic cancers. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency recognizes the acid in microwave popcorn bag linings is likely carcinogenic, and several independent studies have linked them to chemicals to cause tumor. Similarly, the diacetyl chemical used in the popcorn itself is linked to causing both lung damage and cancer. Like processed meats, soda pop has also been shown to cause cancer as well. Loaded with sugar, food chemicals, and coloring, soda pop acidifies the body and literally feeds cancer cells. Common soda pop chemicals like caramel color and its derivative 4-methylimidazole have also specifically been linked to causing cancer. Even worse than the conventional sugar-sweetened soda pop, though it is diet soda pop and various other diet beverages and foods, a recent scientific review issued by the EFSA of more than 20 separate research studies found that aspartame, one of the most common artificial sweeteners, causes a range of illnesses, including birth defects and cancer. Splenda, saccharin, and various other artificial sweeteners have also been linked to causing cancer. Genetically modified wheat and refined flour is a common ingredient in processed foods, but its excessive carbohydrate content is a serious cause for concern. A study published in Journal Cancer Epidemiology, Mild Markers and Prevention found that regular consumption of refined carbohydrates were linked to a 220% increase in breast cancer among women. High glycemic foods in general also have been shown to rapidly raise blood sugar levels in the body, which directly feeds cancer cell growth and spread. Same goes for sugars, which tend to rapidly spike insulin levels and feed the growth of cancer cells. Fructose-rich sweeteners like high fructose corn syrups are particularly offensive, as cancer cells have been shown to quickly and easily metabolize them in order to proliferate. And since cookies, cakes, pies, and sodas, juices, sauces, cereals, and many other popular, mostly processed food items are loaded with HFCS and other refined sugars, this helps explain why cancer rates are on the rise these days. Many people think they are eating healthy when they buy apples, grapes, or strawberries from the store. But unless these fruits are organic or verified to be pesticide-free, they could be a major cancer risk. The Environmental Working Group found that up to 98% of all conventional produce, and particularly the type found on its dirty fruit list, is contaminated with cancer-causing pesticides. Farm salmon is another high-risk cancer food. According to Dr. David Carpenter, director of the Institute for Health and the Environment at the University of Albany, according to his assessment, farm salmon not only lacks vitamin D, but is often contaminated with carcinogenic chemicals, PCBs, flame retardants, pesticides, and antibiotics. And lastly, hydrogenated oils. They are commonly used to preserve processed foods and keep them shelf stable. But hydrogenated oils alter the structure and flexibility of cell membranes throughout the body, which can lead to a host of debilitating diseases such as cancer. Some manufacturers are phasing out the use of hydrogenated oils and replacing them with palm oil and other safer alternatives, but trans fats are still widely used in processed foods. Okay, so that was 10 cancer-causing foods. I hope this video blesses you. And like I said, I am here for you. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and remember that you are beautiful and I love you. Bye!